So today is the starting session of your Pega training, and myself, I am Harsha. And today we are going to discuss about the below. What are the main factors, main topics that you have to be knowing about? See, if you are going to learn any technology or any tool, so when you are joining a training institute, during the demo time, like maybe 1 day or maybe 2 days or maybe 3 days, any number of days, you should have to get the clear idea and information about the training details and the process we follow here. And the second factor is that know about the real-time use of the tool or technology that you are opting for, that you are learning, that you are going to learn, some brief introduction about that particular tool and what is its real-time usage, where do you come across with this tool in reality, and what is your job role if you are learning this particular tool. All this you should have to have the information about before you start actually learning the respective tool or technology. So ours is tool, ours is not technology. And then get clarification of all your doubts and questions, before you proceed to enroll. So what questions you will have, what clarifications you look for? I told you, now you have a question. I'm a mechanical graduate. Will I be able to learn this or not? I'm not interested in coding. Is it okay to learn Pega or not? You might have that question in your mind. So I have prepared for bank exams 3 years. Since past 3 to 4 years I am trying, no luck. So if I am going to learn Pega, how can I proceed forward in my career for further steps? Okay, how would I get the job? Okay, and I'm a fresher. Otherwise, I'm already a working employee, but I am working into BPO or non-IT domain. So how would I handle further my job progress after I learn Pega? I'm a working employee in IT. Okay, maybe on different technology, I want to switch my career into this particular tool. How it is going to help? What is my career path? So for each one of you, your destination is landing onto Pega job, but path may be little bit different based on your profile. That information also you should know according to you. All that I will clarify, it will take time. Within 1 day, within 1 hour session, we cannot finish everything here. So one by one we'll go. So if you get all this information, you will have a clear idea about whether you can opt for this course or not. After you get the clarification after 3 days, then you decide and come back on the 4th day. Okay, but attending first to 3 days is crucial for everyone to get a clear information and clear idea about whether to proceed or not. That is very, very important. Okay, so we will go by facts. Okay, we will go by complete information, facts. It is being recorded. I will share you this recording after 1 hour or after 2 hours of session completed. Every day you will receive recording. Okay, after the course is completed, but you should not join for recordings. You should join for live session. There are some people who are joining from Netherlands, who are joining from USA midnight. They can join for recordings. 1 or 2 days or 5 days they will join live session. Later on they will depend on recordings, because it is not possible for them daily to attend. Midnight time, morning 4 o'clock, difficult, and they cannot wait for 1 more month or 2 more months for next slot. They want to finish now. Same as it is what we discuss will be there available. So they can, if your situation demands, depend on recordings. Otherwise, always depend on me, live class. Even if you are missing a class 1 or 2 days, what will happen? You get the recording, still get compensated before you come down to the next class through the recording. Understand? That's the idea behind providing recording. 1 or 2 days you are not able to come to classroom, not able to attend the class. What you do? Follow the recording at some other time. Morning you have marriage, you have to attend marriage. Evening time you follow the recording and finish it. What is there in that? Okay, that's the idea behind providing recording. Just as a reference, if you miss the class will be compensated. You attend the class, still you get recording for reference purpose. Use it as a reference purpose. Okay. Let's go about, know the details about the training. Know the details about training. Okay, so training and process. You might have so many questions. I'll come to your questions. Please wait. Okay, it will take time. So first point we will go. So here the Pega training that we are going to conduct. Okay, you have. Okay, it is for 3.5 months. What is the duration? 3.5 months. Do you think only 3.5 months plus 45 days? Why this 45 days? What you do in 3.5 months? What you do in 45 days? Okay, you all been informed for 3.5 months only. Why this 45 days? Again, I will tell you. See, during 3.5 months. Okay, timings also I will tell you. Time 9 AM IST to 10 AM IST. Every day 60 minutes time. Every day 60 minutes. I want to give you detailed information. Don't get bored. Okay. So 60 minutes every day. See, this 1 hour we wanted to perfectly utilize for theory and practical sessions. Okay. And throughout our journey of this 3.5 months, the timings will never change. Timings will never change. 9 o'clock is standard time for your batch. Okay. So during 3.5 months, okay, you will be learning about, okay, theory concepts, technical explanation, its real-time usage of specific technical and hands-on practical with a business scenario being implemented and integrated into a project. That means you are going to work on real-time project where every technical concept that we are going to learn, we understand the theoretically and technically. I'll give you an explanation, and then with an example, real-time example, I will explain you that, and a practical scenario we will take. We will have hands-on implementation of that practical scenario where that will be fit into project. That is not a standalone example, so it will be fitting into project. That's how we are going to follow this 3.5 months. What will be the outcome after this 3.5 months? After the 3.5 months, 3.5 months, you will be prepared for, you will be able to work on projects independently. Independently you will be able to work on. So how do you work on project? Okay, you will get clear idea about and understanding about all technical rules of Pega, all technical concepts. And why we use those terms? Concepts of Pega and the purpose of each concept in real world, in real enterprise business applications. In real enterprise business applications, what is its purpose also you'll come to know. Okay, and how to implement a practical requirement, using a specific technical concept. So this and all you will be having, or you will be getting a clear idea about after you finish the course. After you finish the course, simply speaking, you will be molded. Simply speaking, you will be molded as a real-time Pega developer who is working on enterprise applications for clients, business applications. Okay, so that's how you will be molded. That will be your outcome. So what is the condition here? Condition is student should be regular to the classes, practice daily and give mock interviews. I'll come to this point now, mock interviews point. Okay, so apart from theory, technical and all this, what else will be there? Okay, I told you, you will be given training every day 1 hour. I'll be explaining about what is some concept, what is its purpose with a real life example, and then a practical hands-on. You will be learning one by one. Everything will be integrated into a project. So from day one onwards, we will start project. That means from day one onwards, we will be starting a project. Onwards, we start working on project. From day one onwards, we are going to start working on project. So how many projects we are going to work on? Total how many projects? Total 4 projects will be working on. How many? 4 projects. See, 2 projects parallelly during the course. That is 3.5 months. During the 3.5 months. So project 1, trainer means me. Trainer will tell you technical plus practical. All this trainer will tell you. What you are doing here is you doing copy paste work. Frankly speaking, what are you doing? Copy paste. But you should not do that. Okay. Project 2. How you will work on? So you will be assigned. You will be given with requirements. You will be given with requirements of entire project. Read, understand, do it. So you have gained knowledge. While working with project 1. While working with project 1, you have gained some knowledge, right? Apply that knowledge while implementing second project. So while implementing second project, you apply that knowledge. Understand clear? So while working on first project which I teach you, you would have gained some knowledge, some knowledge about everything. Applying that on the second project, you should be able to implement it by yourself. You have any doubts, anywhere you are stucking, come back to me, I'll clarify. Understand clear? This is what you are going to learn about. Okay. Next, here you go. What is the process of interviews and all? So what you will be provided with? What are you going to be provided with during this training duration? What are we going to follow the process? And next one is mock, or you call it as screening interviews. Screening interviews will be conducted. How frequently this will be conducted? Actually, this was once in 2 weeks actually before. Okay, I'm writing the same. Once in 2 weeks I'm writing, but actually we have changed the process now. I'll tell you one more point here. You will be given an enhancement assignment. After each topic completed. After each topic completed, one enhancement assignment along with interview questions. Screening interview will be on this assignment and questions. Screening interview will be on this assignment and questions. Questions I will give you. 12 questions I will give you for assignment 1. Those 12 we will ask you. We will not give you answers. Answers you can get it by practical and learning. You will be able to do it. For sure you will be able to do it. We will ask you these 12 questions. Maybe little bit of twisting the question also will happen sometimes. Okay, understand? That's how this is calculated. This is, what does it mean? Means after your interview is completed, your assessment is completed. Your interview has happened for 15 to 20 minutes. Immediately we will tell you, you are lagging at this place. Fluency of delivery is missing. Okay, you are not remembering the technical words. Okay, you are not able to understand the scenario. You need to think about real-time scenarios also a little bit more. Okay, we will give you some guidance and we will tell you the feedback. Taking the feedback, you prepare for the next interview. Okay, next interview you should not repeat the same, but few of them you will repeat for sure. 5 to 6 interviews you attend, you will be perfect, because we have identified so many gaps and we have given you, right? You are going to fulfill all the gaps, interview by interview. 5 to 6 interviews, you will be perfect. The intention behind these interviews, okay, based on these interviews, we will process your profile to the companies, client companies. Okay, client companies, both for freshers and experienced. We have some tie-ups. Okay, we will process your profile both for freshers and experienced. If you are performing well as expected here, then we will process it. If you're not performing, we will guide you. Okay, you need more time, prepare on these aspects, focus like this, just fill all these gaps and come back and give us interview again. It is delaying 4 months, 5 months you are taking, no problem. After 7 months you come, no problem, but be perfect, we will process it. Clear everyone? Online students, are you following every one of you? Respond in the chatting window, say yes.
Yep.
So able to understand the process that we follow, right? Okay. Now we are doing everyday theory, technical, practical, everything, right? How do you practice after the session? During the session, you will not practice. Parallel practice will not be there. Means you don't need to carry the laptop here into the class. Not required. You want to sit after the session, you want to sit at the 3rd floor and practice, bring it. But in the class, you don't have to open the laptop. Online students, during the class, you open laptop only to attend GoToMeeting. Parallel practical will not be there. You just listen, try to understand what I will provide. During the training, I will take the screenshots of the practicals. I'll make a document with clear-cut explanation. I'll share you that. What will be provided? What will be provided during and after the course? During and after the course. What is that benefits you are going to get out of this training? Theory documents we will provide you. So we'll provide you what? Theory documents of each topic by topic. How? Topic by topic only. Today, topic 1 completed, practical completed. Topic 1 document I will share you immediately after the class. Where I will share you? I will share you in Google Classroom. So I will invite you, all of you, to join the Google Classroom. Google Classroom is different, GoToMeeting is different. Don't get confused. Google Classroom is a place like a classroom. You all join, we all at one place. If I place a document there, all you can see and access and download the document. Videos you cannot download. Video will be drive access. For first 3 days, for first 3 days, we will post this video in YouTube channel. Because I don't have your email IDs and you are not enrolled, right? So for first 3 days, what I will do? This recorded videos I will post in YouTube channel and I will share you the link. 4th day onwards, generally speaking. So going every day will not post in YouTube. Why you have to join here? If I post in YouTube, right? So that video will be uploaded to the respective drive and only to the students who are enrolling for the course will be provided with access. That is the later on process. Theory documents topic by topic we will provide. Practical documents with screenshots and clear written explanation. Clear written explanation will be provided daily. Okay, daily will be provided. Daily live class recording, live session recorded video will be provided with view access. You can view anytime. Till 3.5 months you will have access, plus 2.5 months more than that you will have access. Even you finished your training, you are not able to complete the course, you are lagging 10 days or 15 days, you will have additional 2.5 months access, no problem. Last 2 topics, integrations and all, you want to revise one more time, you want to listen again, you will have access till 2.5 months. That is more than enough if you are really interested to learn the course. See, you have to join the training program, not only here, anywhere, any technology. You have to opt for any training program only when you want to finish it within a specific duration of time. 3.5 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Within that you should finish, not after 1 year. Okay, so you are joining today because you are expecting the project after 9 months or 7 months. Don't join now. Join after 7 months only or nearby only. Generally, I am saying my intention is simple. You should be regular to the classes, practice every day, and prepare every day for interview. Starting from day 1 itself. Starting from day one itself. So that should be there for a candidate. See, if you are keep on postponing, suppose you are joining now, I will attend 5 days sessions. Saturday, Sunday, I want to practice. That will never work out. I'm just openly saying, okay. If you have any thought of like 5 days, I will attend the classes. Saturday, Sunday, I will practice. All 5 days, I will cover on Saturday, Sunday. I'm telling you with my experience, it will never work out. Okay. Postponing something will never happen in our life. That you cannot do. If you want to do something tomorrow, that tomorrow will never come. Okay. Every day, tomorrow will be there. Okay. But that is not now. So you will never do it. So today's concept, whatever we discussed, today itself you have to go through the theory documents, try to understand the concept, what we discussed in the class, and then go through the practical documents, try to understand what we have done. Because you are there in the class, you will be able to understand. Okay. And after you understand and have a clear idea about theory and practical, start sitting for the hands-on and do implement the same requirement. Completed. Create one more practice application, another application you create. Same requirement, without looking anywhere, without reviewing anything, you do the practical and take the enhancement assignment and try to enhance it with your own knowledge. You will be able to do it. Enhancement, implementing that enhancement, you'll become knowledge. Copy paste, you will not become knowledge. Understand? Clear? Are you getting the point, everyone? Online students, are you getting the point? See, my intention is simple. I want all of you to be independent developers. See, it's not only the technicals you learn, your thinking ability should be improved. Means you should be able to think by yourself on your own. Okay, we are working on banking application, for example, insurance application. You should be able to understand banking requirement and you should be able to implement using the concepts what you have learned. That means you are really learning. You're not able to do that means you are learning only copy paste, doesn't work out. Okay, are you getting the point, everyone? Fourth one, what I will provide? Daily live sessions recorded. Okay. And apart from this, we have even other documentation. Interview question and answers also I will provide. Topic wise documents are there. Topic wise documents I will be providing. Okay. This I will provide after you enroll. Okay. For all topics, topic wise interview question and answers, we will provide you. During the class, I will stress on the interview level points. This will be interview question. They will ask you like this in interview question. You have to say this. I will tell you like that during the concept also. That time itself, it will go into your mind, but it will not retain permanently. After you revise this, it will retain permanently. Okay. After you go through my interview questions in the assignment, you will be writing. While writing, you will get it 100%. Okay. And before this, I'll add fourth point. Okay. Fourth point. Daily assignments. Daily assign. Oh, did I write that? Above I have written. Here I am writing the process once again. Daily assignments of enhancement requirements means what you have already done plus something additional plus interview questions only. Interview questions for screening interview. For what purpose? Screening interview. Some of the questions answers may be available in the below documents. Some of the question answers may be available in fifth point. Fifth point, you may find answers for some of the questions here. Okay. Topic wise interview question and answers are there, na? Okay. Sixth one. So I have some audio recording. Suppose you have attended the session. Otherwise, you have missed today's session. If you are attending live session, you will listen. If you have missed the session, what you do? If you have missed it, what you will do? You will go by recording only, right? You watch the recording. Means attending live or recording, you are attending the session. Okay. Sometime later, you wanted to listen to that session once again, but you don't want to watch it. You want to just listen by audio. Okay. So simply one technical topic. What is so and so technical topic? What is activity I want to hear? Activity is something. Activity can be used for this purpose. That and all I want to hear once, just as recollecting the points. So I have made some audio recordings created. Audio recordings of all the topics, explanation, not practical, theory part, explanation will be provided. Audio recordings of all topics with explanation. This will be will be shared to you. So how you can make use of it? Sometime later, suppose you are getting some free time, you are traveling from one place to another place. Maybe you are not the driver. Okay, now you have some free time now. You can just simply use your earphones, just get the audio recordings in your phone and listen to one topic. Listening many times, it will stay in your mind. Okay, you listen to one song many times, you listen wherever you go, everywhere the same song, super hit song is getting played. You don't need to practice to speak out, automatically you'll get it. Okay, that's the power of listening. You listen many times, automatically you will get it. That's the reason why you have audio recordings of all the topics being recorded. I said at the end of audio recording, I would have asked questions also. Topic is completed, 5 minutes completed. Let's say 6th and 7th minute you might be finding question 1, question 2 there also. I would have requested you, please record your answer and send it back to me. Long time back we have followed that process. That is not working out. You don't have to do it. After you listen to that questions in the audio, say yourself what is the answer. What is the answer? You say yourself. Pretty much fair enough. Don't record and send it back. Okay. And 7th one, audio recording software. What else we will be providing? So Google Classroom access for enrolled students for lifetime. That is for lifetime. Contains theory plus practical documents and other useful information. Okay. And 8th one, Google Drive access. I told you here. Daily live recorded session. This is what? Drive access. Drive access is you only access. You cannot download it. So please mute. Please mute if you are there some background noise. Okay. Not automatically muted. See, if my voice is been coming on and off, that might be the issue from your end. Please check from your end. Okay. I don't have any issue from my end. My internet connectivity strength is very good. All the others are able to hear properly. Okay. So far everyone clear? And apart from this, we have YouTube channel. We have YouTube channel. All recordings will not be there. Some topics will be there. And interview question and answers again. Interview question and answers where I have attended as a candidate. Sometimes you may follow this. Sometimes it's not for the answer. Answers you have everywhere. The fluency of explanation as a professional, how you need to speak out. How do you know? Only when you come across someone is saying better professionally and fluently. Technical fluency should be there. You are saying with so many gaps and all, then that means you are a learner. You're just saying like in a fluent way, like a professional person. Then that means you have real experience and all. So from this you can gain the information and idea about how fluently you have to speak out the technical terms. I'll make it as a 9th one. Okay, so 8th one is something else I forgot actually. What was that? There are around many hours of videos are available. Okay, and what else? Google Classroom, YouTube channel. One thing pending. Okay. Once I get it, I'll write down. That should be the 8th one actually. So this is what we are going to provide you, and this is during the training and after the training program, as I have given you the information. Okay. So let me make it 8th point. Okay, when I remember, I'll change it. Okay. Something I forgot actually. Okay, next. What next? So 3.5 months I told you, right? So your preparation should be daily. Daily 1 hour class time. Okay, plus 1.5 hour practice time should be there in your hand. Practice time. You practice by yourself. Okay, you have been provided with everything. You can practice on your free time. Before the next class, your practice should be completed and your preparation should be completed. If you are regularly practicing, this 1.5 hour will be 1.5 hour only forever. But if you are lagging in the practice, this may increase. Okay. See, my intention is very simple. I want everyone, whoever joins here, they have to regularly attend, regularly practice. Finish everything on time. What is the okay? This time you have in your hand means you will be able to finish it for sure. Okay. Next. So post to training or job ready program. Job ready program. Okay, I will write down more points here. Resume preparation help. Resume preparation help, model resumes will provide you. Okay, and interview tips and tricks will be discussed. See, resume preparation help, how long will provide you? Anytime you come back, we'll provide you. As long as you are a student here, after 1 year or after 2 years, you will be available, no worries. As long as you are getting back to us, we are happy to help you. Don't expect us to follow up with you and check with you what you are currently, what is your status and all. This is impossible. Okay, anything you want to talk to me, directly call me, no problem, or send me a WhatsApp message. I'll be available. I'll be available to review your resume and make changes. I'll be available to give you tips when you attend interviews. Today you call me and say that I have attended one interview. These 2 scenarios they have asked me, I did not understand. Can you please guide me? I'll guide you, no problem. But you should get back. Okay. So daily 1 hour class time plus 1.5 hour practice time you need. And post training or job ready program. This is how many days? 45 days. This is for free of cost. This is for free of cost for our students. For our students. Along with you, students who have learned Pega somewhere else, they might have, okay, some time back, colleges, they might be learning somewhere. They will be paying. Outside students, outsiders will be paying 20,000 rupees for this. Not you, outsiders will be paid. By mistake you joined somewhere else, you realized that you did not get the knowledge fully, then you will come back here. This is not a mandatory program. Post training, actually we introduced this only for outsiders, not for you actually, because this level will be covered during the training only. Okay, after you attend the training program, you will be in a situation to crack the interviews by yourself. Okay, if you regularly practice, okay, if you regularly attend practice daily, okay, and practice, you will be in a situation to crack any interview without help and can work on project independently. Later what we have done is, after when we are getting so many calls from many people, I have learned so and so place, I did not get much knowledge, can you please give me interview level training and project training, they are asking. So without you are technically perfect, how can I give you? Okay, you are technically good, then I can give you something. My students are okay, but outsiders, they are not okay. Then they come to us after we are getting so many requests, we have started this program. And after one batch is completed, we realized that why don't we add our students also into this program for free of cost? Then we are allowing, but not everyone. There is a criteria. Outsiders 20,000 rupees, they come with 20,000 and pay us. Are we going to allow them? No. There is a process. Post training program eligibility will be there. Okay. So 20,000 is not a matter here. The main eligibility is give us an interview. Give us an interview on all topics and all topics. Score 6 out of 10. Minimum 6 out of 10 means you are okay to enter into post training program. You are allowed for free of cost. Outsiders 20,000 they are paying, they are not allowed. They have to give this interview. We should find them. Okay. If they are not up to this mark, then we will suggest them. You are not up to the mark. Even if you attend post training, you cannot do anything. Okay. And join the regular course, at least advanced concepts or something. We'll guide them. Accordingly, we'll mold them again into post training. Okay. So what will be discussed during post training program? So what we'll discuss during post training program? So here, 3rd and 4th project you will be working on. 3rd and 4th project you will be working on. You will be assigned with and independently finish this. See, because you already have the knowledge, right? I don't have to tell you technicals. What is activity? What is data transform? That and all will not teach you. That is already completed. Interview question discussion also completed. And once in 2 days, project review will happen. Project review will happen. What you have done, you have to give us the walkthrough, like how it will happen in real time. Same way we will be conducting. You have to get it reviewed by the coordinator. And once in 2 days, sessions will be conducted. 4 days only this session will be conducted to take interview question and answers, comma, scenario based questions and how to think to understand the scenario and solution and get solution. All this will be discussed during this training program. On all topics again we'll revise. Why you are revising here? You have not done the same in the practical during the project one. I mean, like during the regular course, we have done it actually. This is somewhat polishing your skill once again. You are already skillful. Why I have to polish you again? Why I have to invite you to a free program again, spending 45 days? I'll tell you. We have identified and found some students who are technically good, but they are little bit of afraid for the interview to face the real interviews. They are a little bit afraid. There is some sort of fear still there in their mind, but they are good. We know we are encouraging them. They are not getting encouraged. They are still fearful. Okay, to sort out that, okay, to make you confident enough and to make you perfect. Okay, already you are up to 99%. That 1% is going to make you selected. That 1% will be filled here for you regular students. It is like a kind of polishing your skill to give you some sort of confidence that I can work independently, because you are working here independently. You are giving the demo of what you have done. Okay, plus interview level, how to think. That thinking ability we wanted to improve a little bit more, better. Okay, so that is the reason we are inviting you for this course for free of cost. That is up to you whether you are going to enroll or not without pay. So till when you are allowed for free of cost. You take training today. After two years, you come back and say that I wanted in post training. I have taken training 2 years back. This is also regular students only. See here for our students after the last date of training, within next 2.5 months, they should get eligibility for upcoming training program. Then it is free. Today your training is finished, today's date. From today's date to 2.5 months. Within these days, your interview should be finished and score 6 out of 10. Eligibility you got. Immediately, whatever the batch starting, you are allowed for free of cost. After 3 months, you come and ask me. Not allowed. Here also intention is same. Who are regularly learning only, we want. Okay. You join today during this training program, you enjoy, and you start your preparation after the training is completed. You come back after 5 months and all. We may help you on resume preparation, everything else, but we will not allow you into post training program if you are asked. There are students who are into jobs who cracked interviews without post training. That's what has happened since long back. Recently only we introduced this as a payment process for outsiders, but later we are allowing our students to fill that gap of year. That's okay. See, if you target on the post training, you are in the post training, means you are in job. So far, no student have failed to get into the job who have attended this post training program. Means you have already got the eligibility to crack interviews. You are shining up. Okay, when we shine up, what will happen? You will definitely crack. That fear is gone. You will be in the job. You are in the job means you are in the post. You are in the post training program means you are in the job. That's it. There is no doubt about it. So focus on the post training. Okay, you are in a hurry, no problem. You prepare well, but you don't opt for post training. You crack interview, no problem. But if you wanted to get into this, you are welcome. Okay, this is 45 days free of cost. Everyone clear? Any doubts so far? Only up to the content what we have discussed. Don't ask me what about certification and all. I'll tell you. That is deviation for now, but that will come later. Am I clear so far? Morning time, if you are meeting, if you are missing one day or 2 days, it's okay. But every day, if you are missing, means you have to depend on videos. That's how people from Netherlands and other countries they will do. And otherwise there are other slots also, but in a month only one slot will start. This month 9 AM, right? Next month we will start 7 AM, morning 7 AM. See, if we start a batch in one slot, 9 AM we started now. Again 9 o'clock batch, when it will come? After your 9 o'clock batch is completed, because I am the only trainer. Now you don't have two trainers here, right? 9 o'clock batch, this 3.5 months to almost 1 week will extend, 4 months nearly, should be completed. Then only I can start 9 o'clock once again. Understand? Yearly 3 batches only. One slot, 7 o'clock 3 batches, 8 o'clock 3 batches, 9 o'clock 3 batches, afternoon 11 3 batches, evening 7 3 batches. Yearly these many batches will run. Understand? So that's the problem. So you need to wait for 1 month if you are missing a batch. Okay, that's why you try to utilize it. Okay. So this is what we will be providing you. So after the class is completed, you go through that practical documents and theory documents and finish your hands-on practical. Any doubts, any questions, we will tell you. So we will create WhatsApp group. So you are getting messages, right, every day. That message is being sent in broadcast. Okay, you know the difference between group and broadcast? Group means, okay, whether you saved my contact or not, you will receive the message in the group. You will see in the group only. Broadcast means it will deliver like a direct message to you. Like someone messaging you directly in WhatsApp, how you'll receive? That's how you'll receive. But only when you save our contact, you will receive. So for the training batch, we will create a WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group, and discussions, doubts, queries, everything will go in the group only. I'll add the coordinators and I'll be available in the group. And no one is, you are not getting response after till next 15 minutes, you forward it to me personally. I'll take it to the group and respond there. Understand clear, everyone? So that's how we will proceed. Okay, personally I will respond in the group. Personally myself, I'll respond in the group again. Okay, so next one. See, I request all of you, see, every one of you have received a meeting link or meeting invite or class invite from this particular number to your WhatsApp. There might be some students who might have received a WhatsApp message address or meeting link forwarded from your friends. Okay, and you are attending now. Online students, you might not have received this message from this number, but your friends might have forwarded you. Same way you might have come to class. This is only to those students who are not having any direct contact on this number through WhatsApp. Kindly save this number right away. Save this number in your phone now itself and send a message. Not every one of you don't send me, we cannot handle. Today morning we sent you one reminder, right? You got that reminder. If you got that reminder, this is not for you. This is only for those students who did not save this phone number in their phone and who got a message forwarded from their friends or someone else. Send a message right away on this number by saving, mentioning your name, attended today's Pega Demo Class 1. This is what you have to send. My team will understand, admin will understand that, okay, you did not receive direct message from us. They will save and they will add you into broadcast. You will receive today's this document you will receive, and you'll receive this recording video update. Okay, and every day you'll receive any other updates. Okay, I forgot one point, right, that I'm going to write. Actually I have to add at the beginning only. So this one, right, before this only. Okay, I'll add it. Daily class running notes I will prepare. Running notes also I'll give you. So I'll be writing a running notes. I'll be writing a running notes every day. Why to make these many changes? I'll do one. Running notes and the theory doc. Understand? Theory documents will have complete information. Running notes will have highlighted points. You missed the class, go to running notes, you will come to know what is being discussed today. So I'll put a date like this. This document will be maintained forever. Today's date. Okay. Tomorrow I'll mention tomorrow's date and I'll start doing tomorrow. I'll start writing. Today, if you have missed the class, if you go through this, you'll understand or not? You'll understand, no? The same way. And today after the session, what you will receive? After our session is over, you will receive this document on your WhatsApp. For 3 days, you will receive only on WhatsApp. Okay. After that, you will receive in. Okay, I'll tell you. Sorry. Today you'll receive on WhatsApp. Today, what you will receive on WhatsApp? This particular document you will receive. This video we will upload and we will send you that link along with this document. Listen to me carefully. Google Classroom link we will send you. This is a demo classroom, not a real classroom. For next 2 days we have to share na, next 2 to 3 days. Tomorrow onwards we will place the documents here. Better not to miss. After you enroll, we will move from this classroom to regular class. Only access to enrolled students. Understand clear everyone? Process you are understanding, right? So today when you receive Google Classroom link, what you do? Just to click on it, get in. You will see today's documents. After them, anyhow you will receive on WhatsApp. But don't neglect to join that classroom. Join there. Okay. Now here you go. Next. See, this is just an information point of view. Okay, technical point of view. Anything I have missed? I'll send you one document, FAQ document. You don't need to wait for me to get your questions clarified. FAQ document. Today I will share you this document. FAQ document also I will send you. What will be there in FAQ document? I will tell you. Just a brief out. What should be the education background eligibility when you are taking Pega course? What should be the technical background eligibility when you want to take Pega course? What are the certifications available? What certifications you have to complete while taking the Pega course, after taking the Pega course? And what are the job opportunities in India? What are the job opportunities in other countries? And I have a gap of 4 years, 5 years. Am I eligible to learn? If I am going to learn, how to proceed to apply for the jobs? In what way I can manage to enter into IT job? This type of questions, so many are there with you, correct? Okay, what is the process you follow also? I told you. Video access, what if you miss the class and all. Some FAQ questions will be there. Go through the document. Just it will not take more than 10 minutes. Just reading only, right? Okay. Without waiting for me on some of the top questions, you go through it, get clarified. Still you have questions? Okay. Now, my personal number. 888-62-666-19. Okay. I am writing this. Listen to me carefully. Students from India, strictly follow this. Students from India, call me, or if I don't pick call, WhatsApp me between 1:30 p.m. or 1 p.m. Better 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. IST. Between 1:30 p.m. to call me or WhatsApp me and ask your doubts. Okay, from India, call me or WhatsApp me to sort out your queries. See, any student who is going to enroll here, they should have a clear information about the training program, the process we follow, and they should have to get all the queries, doubts clarified before they enroll. That is our intent. You should have at least to talk to me or our admin. Without talking to them or me, don't join. Okay. So if you have doubt, get it clarified. Every doubt is clarified already. Your brother already in Pega, he learned here and he got job and he is recommending you join. No problem. But others, it is mandatory that you must have at least talked to once our admin team. Okay, on your queries or doubts, anything, because you should have to have every information before you join. And students from other countries, like USA, UK or any other country. Okay, call me between 6 p.m. Okay, I'll write between this time only, 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. 1 hour only for now. Okay, because I will be in class. I'll write down 2 timings. Okay, I'll write down 2 timings. 6 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. means evening I have one more batch, no? Different batch. 6:45 p.m. or other countries between 8:30 p.m. to 9:30. See, I given these timings considering USA students. If you are from Netherlands and some, these timings are not suitable for you. It's too late midnight or maybe early morning to you. Then you can go with this training. timings. But people from India, please remember, only this timings you should reach out, because this slot you leave it for other countries. Okay, you might be working in a company, you may feel like I want to call after my office hours. Even India, just to take a 10 minutes break, during the break time you call me, only call me during daytime, night time, evening you leave it for other countries. Understand? Clear? Anyone has any doubts or any questions? I did not tell you what is Pega so far, that I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow what are we going to discuss? I'll write down here. I believe I have given you complete information about the process. Just this is just an informative session. Tomorrow session will be clear-cut understanding about the tool that you are going to learn. FAQ questions you go through. Other questions I'll sort out on phone call and message, WhatsApp message, anything. So no need to separately sit for those doubts and all. You want to talk to me, call me. Given types. Now October 5th, 2020. Okay, what we'll be discussing? I'll tell you. See, what is Pega and its real-time usage? Where do you see? So if you are going to learn Pega and get a job, what will be your role? What will be your role in the project? What will be your role in the project? So these details you will be getting, like what is the advantage of Pega over other tools, over other technologies or tools? Does it require coding or not? You say now. Strictly no coding. Strictly no coding. Coding is not required at all. Okay, anyone can learn this. These points will be covered. To cover these points, it will take around 50 minutes. Okay, it's not like simply what we are saying with one word. I have to tell you in the real world how it looks like. See, your actual demo content about Pega. See, about Pega will take 2 days. October 6th. Continuation of October 5th session. It will take 2 hours actually. It cannot be completed in 1 day. So there you will land on to what is BPM, what is BPM versus Pega. There is a power cut online, students. If there is any interruption in the connectivity now, I will connect back within 2 minutes. Don't get away. Okay, sometimes it may happen, but not regularly. We have backup everything. No worries. Even power cut is there, session will run. Okay, so far everyone clear? So today's session, you please understand one thing. It is completely an informative session. It's not a technical nothing. Tomorrow's session, that is also information about the tool you are going to learn. What is the tool? Pega. What is its real usage? Where you see in real world? What your job role will be if you are going to join a company? And what are the advantages of using Pega? And what you will be doing with it? And after that, the continuation of this session with architecture and everything. Architecture of Pega. Okay, all this will be done the other day. Okay, it will take 2 hours time. It cannot be done in 1 hour or something. Actually, I used to take this session on day 3. Whatever the session you attended, I used to take on day 3, but I have shifted day 3 to day 1. And then because some people are missing on day 1. If they miss on day 1, means these two are connectivity, right? Second day they will not be able to understand. That's why day 1, day 3 I shifted to day 1 as an informative session. Day 2, day 3 about Pega, BPM, its real use, its advantages and everything. I'll be taking on 2 and 3. Understand? Clear everyone? Online students, are you clear? Every one of you. So if you have any questions, any doubts about what we have discussed today, don't ask me what is your certification and my background is this one. For that, what you will do? You will call me. For that, you will be calling me. You will be going through FAQ document. After that, you will be calling me back to get your queries sorted out, personal questions and all. Okay. So next to tomorrow, technical. Tomorrow will be the actual session. That is part of your subject. This is part of your information. This is like informative session. Tomorrow will be, even though that is a demo we are saying, that is part of the subject connected to regular classes. Whatever we discuss tomorrow and day after tomorrow 2 hours, that will be discussed during the entire training program. 3.5 months, whatever we are going to discuss, that will come in 2 hours tomorrow and after tomorrow. Understand? Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you are able to understand everything clearly. Each point when we are working in during the regular classes, I'll tell you. When regular classes, this is the point we have discussed during demo. We will make a connectivity there. Understand clear? So hope all of you are clear. We started this session at 9 o'clock on dot. Yes or no? If you have attended this session at 9:01, you have missed 1 minute. If you have attended this session at 9:05, you have missed 5 minutes. And we started on dot 9 o'clock. That is very, very important for a student to be punctual. I know many of you have come here at 9:03, 9:04, 9:05. Online students, they have connected even at 9:10. Okay. During the regular classes, you are here at 9:05, means you missed 5 minutes. 5 minutes missing means 1 hour you have missed. You will not be able to understand 1 hour. I'll revise after the class. I'll revise only after the class, not before the class. 9 o'clock means class timings, 9 o'clock on dot. You might have felt like 15 minutes or 10 minutes, I'll wait for everyone else to connect, right? Because it is day 1. Every trainer will do the same. He will wait for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. If I go for 5 minutes late or not, no problem. If you have felt that, that is wrong. At any cost, your class will begin at 9 o'clock. 8 to 9 batches, running batches there. For that batch, if there is any topic delayed for 5 minutes, then you will face the delay. Otherwise, 9 o'clock it will start at any cost. And I'll close the meeting 1 minute before to them. The advantage for your batch is after 10 o'clock I'll be available for 15 minutes. 7 o'clock batch advantage is before 7 o'clock I'll be available 15 minutes to 20 minutes. 8 o'clock is a tight batch, 8 to 9 only. I'll be available after 10 o'clock only for them. So for your batch advantage is after 10 I'll be available. Okay. Again 11 o'clock batch is there, but I'll be available at least 15 minutes for you, no problem. Okay, but my intention is we want to utilize that 60 minutes properly. Okay, so for first 2 to 3 minutes only I will revise the previous day. Okay, that is pretty much fair enough actually. Okay, and then we will start our session. Okay, everyone clear? So tomorrow also same meeting link. Same link will be used for tomorrow as well. And classroom, anyone, because it is first day, if you have attended online and you want to come down to classroom tomorrow onwards, you come down to class. You want to shift to online, anytime you can shift. Hybrid model. A classroom student can anytime shift to online. An online student can anytime shift to classroom. Classroom and online, here and there you can, if not possible, you can switch, but being informed. Everything you have to inform. Understand clear? This is only for the reason to make sure that you are not going to miss the class. That's the only reason we are following this hybrid model and allowing you from online to classroom. Shifting is possible anytime. Okay, 2 days, 3 days you're not able to come, no problem. Connect online. Even you are not able to connect, video will come to you, no problem. Okay, but I want you to have a full dedication and determination while learning this subject, and your focus should be fully on learning and gaining the subject knowledge. Job will come to you automatically. If you focus only on job and being in depression, always job, you will not be able to learn. Focus fully on learning the subject. Job is secondary, it will automatically come. Knowledgeable people will definitely get the opportunity here and there for sure. But without gaining the knowledge, if you do a tapas of job, that may not happen. But do your tapas for gaining the subject knowledge and become a master, automatically job will come. Okay, clear everyone? Anyone has any doubts or any questions? Okay, what we will share, we will send you software link and all. Already we have shared you. Yes or no? I am repeating once again. If any one of you have not getting any messages directly from this number on WhatsApp, if you're not getting any direct WhatsApp messages from this number, please save this number right away in your phone and send a message to this number. Mention your name and attended today's demo class 1. Our team will understand that, okay, you are not receiving messages from us, and they will send you software download link, installation instructions video, and this class document, and what else, recorded video after posting in YouTube. That link they will share you, and FAQ document also they will share you. Along with that, one more link you will receive. What is that? Google Classroom. The moment you receive, click on it and join. That's it. Okay, just a minute task. There again you will find the same material, so that will be available. Even if your WhatsApp is been erased, it will be there in the Google Classroom. Only for 2 days, 3 days WhatsApp will use, not every day. Every day Google Classroom. Okay, fine. You can wind up for today. It is 10 o'clock already. Thank you for joining, everyone. I know that I did not give time to you to talk to me. I know that. I'll give you time during the sessions. Our sessions will go ahead like a discussion about the topic. I'll ask you so many questions. Okay. So any one of you wanted to talk to me, call me, no problem. Okay. While practice, I told you the process, how to connect to me while practicing and all. WhatsApp group is there, forward, post it in group and then forward it to me personally. Okay, I will send you the link related to our Instagram channel, and now WhatsApp also channel facility has been provided, right? So we thought of using that for interviews purpose especially. Okay, Instagram and WhatsApp will send you. You just follow us there. Okay. Okay. So any doubts, any questions? So after the 10 o'clock, if you have only 1 hour also, no problem if you are strictly using it. You attended the class, right? You don't need to watch the video. Go through the theory plus practical document. It will not take more than 20 minutes. Within 40 minutes, you can finish the practical. See, 1 hour, what am I doing? Theoretically, I am explaining. Practical, I am doing. I am taking the screenshots and documenting it. If you are doing the same, after you understand, it should not take more than 45 minutes. Okay. But if you topic and concept today itself you are focusing, it will go into your mind. One more important point. Saturdays you utilize 2 hours by yourself, revise everything. Otherwise you'll forget. Every Saturday what you do, 2 hours, same time. Saturday class will not be there, Monday to Friday only. Same 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock every Saturday you sit and revise. Whole week you can revise in 1 or 2 hours. Okay, that revision is very, very important. Okay, any doubts you call me. No, I will not be available on Sundays, but Saturday I'll be available. Sunday you leave me. Okay, Sunday I have my personal time. Okay, and you will enjoy yourself on Sunday. Okay, don't open these books and all. Okay. Monday to Saturday you work hard. Okay, next, any other doubts, any other questions before we wind up? I think I have given you pretty much clear information, right? Okay, so far you should not have any doubts. Yes, please.
While doing the hands-on, like as we said, we need to do a setup in our local system, right? For the
I
Pega
will
tool.
send you Pega tool setup.
Yeah.
I'll give you the software.
Is there any way, if we are stuck anywhere, you can help us, like, for
See,
example, for
installation process. Yes, installation process. You know about computer, right? Follow the video blindly, you will be able to. Frankly speaking, a person who knows computer, they will be able to do the installation following the video. Sometimes you will face issue. Whenever you face the issue, on the same screen, wherever you are stuck in, take a photo. Send it to us on WhatsApp 9652532753. Immediately make a call. Tell them I have sent you screenshot of installation issue. Then the issue can be solved in phone, they'll solve. Otherwise, they will ask you to connect through AnyDesk. Install AnyDesk software. If required only. During our doubts clarification also sometimes needed for me. Install AnyDesk software also. They will connect and they will sort out. But without trying installation, don't come back to us. That's not correct. Try, fail, then come back to us with screenshot of proof. We'll come to know when we open your laptop. We'll come to know whether you have tried or not. Okay, if you say that I closed everything, can you please help me? Try again and fail and send me the screenshot, then only we will help. There's no doubt. Okay, clear everyone? So many students have come today at 9:30 and 9:45. What is the reason? Sikindrabad, you know before you start, right? You should have started 1 hour before only. You are attending by phone, huh? You will come directly to the classroom every day? On time you will come? Okay. Others who came late? Many students have come at 9:05, 9:10. but that should not be repeated. Okay, 8:55 be here. First thing is, when you are there here, you should relax. After you travel and come down, your mind should relax. After 5 minutes you came and you are coming and sitting here. Immediately if I am trying to dump something, 1 hour will be wasted. Okay, 8:55 be on the meeting tomorrow, and 8:55 be available here. Relax for 5 minutes, then we will start our session. Understand? Fine, we can wind up for today.